New car and truck dealerships that sell and service vehicles are essential to making sure everyone gets the household supplies and medical attention they need. Hi, I'm Jim Token, president of the Auto Dealers Association of Metro Milwaukee. I want to let you know new car dealers are still open to ensure that people in other essential businesses like healthcare, food service, and first responders can continue to be mobile. And our service departments aren't just open, many are providing pickup and delivery. Plus, all ADAMM member dealers are still selling vehicles and taking every possible safety precaution, as well as offering concierge test drives and delivering new vehicles right to your home. The car manufacturers are also helping with enhanced factory incentives like 0% financing for up to 7 years and deferred first payments. For a list of ADAMM member dealers, visit ADAMM.com. And rest assured, we're doing all we can to keep our customers and our employees healthy in these trying times.